Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this blender machine. Brand name is Panasonic. Let's see it. It is not powering on. If I will connect to the power socket, it have no response. When you are troubleshooting, when you are testing, always use series lamp for testing. That is much safe. Set to any one speed. It is not powering on. Remove the jug. Here we have micro switch. Press this micro switch with any screwdriver, anything, and test it. It is not working. Let's see what is the problem. Here are 4 screws in the bottom. Now I will open it. Let's open it. Yes, we have this wire broken and it have burning sign here. This is disconnected from this micro switch. Let's remove it. Yes, it have very bad sparking here, and this wire is disconnected from this switch. Now I am removing this micro switch because it is not installed with the screws. It is just only installed with plastic. Now I am removing this micro switch. It is a safety switch. I removed the burnt piece of this wire, and I will use a new micro switch. Yes, it is a new piece and I will install this. Set multimeter to continuity. First we will test this micro switch. Connect to these 2 points, common and the normal open point. Yes, it is good. And now I am fitting this push button here. We can see with the burning we have some rough surface here, so that is interrupting in the fitting. Yes, now it's okay. Now I locked this switch by using soldering iron so that it will not come out. Now I will solder it. Make good thinning for the switch. Also we will make a good thinning for the wires. Now we will connect it here. We need to connect one wire here, the second wire here. Okay, we connected these two wires, and now we can check the input resistance for the motor. Set multimeter to resistance mode, or we can set to continuity. Now set to any one position here, and now press the button. Yes, it is giving the resistance. Yes, that's good. It means the circuit is good now. We will set to pulse mode. That's good. Now I will connect it in its fitting, keeping this micro switch towards the outer body. Install it here. Yes. Now I install the safety switch, micro switch, and now we can check it. Yes, it is operating properly. Set multimeter to ohm mode, resistance mode, and connect at input terminal. Set in any operational speed. Yes, it is giving resistance. That's good. Now I will place this top cover here. Yes, it is giving resistance. In diode mode. Yes, here it have diode. At first speed, second speed it have resistance. So that's good. Now it is working. The circuit is complete now. I will install the cover here. Now I will place the top cover here and we will check it. Now we will check it. Yes, that's good. First speed, second speed. So our problem is finished. It was just on the safety switch which was damaged due to sparking. It's good now. If the video is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.